Hi, it's Mel once again. It's sunset. You can see at the back of me the clouds are all gray. There's nothing white. Today we were hoping to have an amazing sunset because we missed it last night. Just by an inch, I must say. We were hoping to come out, thinking it would have started about 5:30, but it started about like 10 minutes or so before that. So when we got to the seashore, all we saw was no sun and a tiny bit of bright orange clouds just on the edge of the clouds, just a tiny bit. So the sun is setting right over behind me on that side and absolutely nothing, but there's a little strip, bright strip, hopefully, and I know there's a sun in the sky. Definitely there is. This afternoon we were out here and it was a bit sunny, a few holes of bright sunshine, and I managed to get a little tiny bit of vitamin D as well. So hopefully in that little strip down there it will be turning orange and we'll have an amazing sunset. Well, there was no umbrellas out today, nothing, because all day today it was gray with at least maybe 3 minutes of bright sunshine, and the beach was absolutely empty. I went walking into the town and it looks like everybody was just shopping throughout the day today. I'm dressed in my gym wear, but it looks like I cannot even take it out and do any exercise. It's a bit nippy, the wind is blowing. So what I can do is just come here, run around the chairs, have fun, get excited, jump around like a toddler, and just have an amazing time waiting to see if I'm gonna get a little glimpse of sunset between that strip of clouds. Also, I must say I'm a bit disappointed. Today, the plan was to rent a car, go around and explore the side of this side of town, go a little bit outside the box, not around the hotel area, but just, I see it's rocky everywhere, but still I saw some amazing sculptures and stuff I have been watching online, and I was hoping I would go and at least see one or two of that, but also there was no sunshine, so whatever photos I would have wanted to take during my excursion, it wouldn't be all that bright because it was just dull. So I'm a bit disappointed. Well, all that can be done right now is just having cold showers. That's all you can do in the sea right now, is just go in there, have a nice cold bath, feel relaxed, and go home for sleep time. Trying to see if I can release some tension in the muscles. I've been be careful. That feels good. Just trying to ease those muscles a bit and feel, oh, oh. 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 What's happening right now, it's been so windy yesterday especially, so all the soil from the dune has been, all the sand from the dune has been blown over on the pathway. So the tractor is there now, just cleaning it up and also cleaning the side of the curb, because it was all the way up to the curb and then the wind is just blowing it onto, because this morning I passed there, there's lots of sand on the road. Looks like there was a sandstorm. Oh yeah, that feels good. That feels good. Amaze balls. Well, I honestly don't think we're gonna be having some sunset. Look at me saying the sunset tonight. Oh, that feels so good, especially with my knee. Oh. Also my abs, I can feel. Oh. Oh my God. You know, I've been feeling like I've been doing lots of bike riding just before I took this trip, and believe me, I can feel my butt. It feels so tight. Oh. And when I put my swimsuit as well, I can see the I'm looking so fit. I love it, love it. I think the bike was the best thing I invested in the day before Christmas. I got myself a bicycle just to help with the healing process of my knee, and believe me, it's been amazing. I can feel the thighs, the glutes, everything feels tight. Woo! Woo! Oh, that feels good. Oh. Yes! At least I can do something other than just sit here and wait for sunset. Even if the sunset does not come out, I won't feel disappointed, because I at least stretch my muscles a bit. Oh, that feels so good. Oh yes. Oh yes. A bit higher. Oh. Oh. Yes, that feels good. Now let me do the dog pee-pee. The dog piece. Yeah, that feels good. Oh yeah. Yes. Yes. I can feel it there, right there. Oh yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Amazing, amazing. Oh, stretch. Stretch. Oh, yes. Oh, that feels good. Oh. Stretch from the front a bit. To be honest, my knee is in a little bit of pain, but I have to move it in all directions just to try and keep the bones supple, and also to be able to move it in a 360 at least. or else if I don't move my knee around, it will just stay stiff in one place, and I don't want to I don't want that. Oh, that feels good. I can see the clouds over here. It's starting to get red at the bottom down here a bit. A little bit red. So definitely there is a sunset going on at the back there. Just that the clouds are so great, so cloudy today that it hasn't moved at all throughout the day. From morning it's been like that, just completely gray with a bit of beige, and now I wish we would have a lovely sunset tonight. Disappointing we missed it last night.
Well, unfortunately, we won't be able to catch the sunset tonight. However, we'll still wait for another 10-15 minutes to see how it goes. And if it does, we'll film it. But if not, this is it for today. Thank you very much for joining. You take care.
All in all, I've been having fun with myself. So that's an achievement for me.